Former Clark County Sheriff Jamey Noel is in court right now to learn his fate after pleading guilty to dozens of felonies.
But as WDRB Stefan Johnson explains, those impacted by the crimes got a chance to speak out first. Stefan?
And they've been speaking out since 9 o'clock this morning, guys, one by one. More than a dozen witnesses have been called by the state to testify behind me here in court just after Jamey Noel has agreed to plead guilty. But the judge, remember, Special Judge Larry Medlock, said he wanted to hear from the victims. He wanted to hear from people impacted by the actions of Jamey Noel, and boy, has he heard from them. I mean, there have been everyone from people who said that they didn't get medical care that they needed, or people who had issues with the amount of spending. There was even the top cop in Indiana took the stand and testified today. Again, Jamey Noel had to listen to all of that. One man, a letter was read by the special prosecutor, Rick Hurdle, from a man who said he didn't get the treatment that he needed because of some issues with the New Chapel, which led to a blood clot and eventually his legs amputated. And then he said to learn that Jamey Noel had spent thousands of dollars on steak dinners for family and friends was just heartbreaking. Meanwhile, again, we also heard, as I said, from the Indiana State Police, or Superintendent of Indiana State Police, Douglas Carter, who's been in that role, I believe, since 2012. He testified that when Jamey Noel was elected sheriff, he met with Noel in his office and talked to him, and it gave him some advice, but he said that he always had some suspicions. He even said that he had heard at one point Jamey Noel was interested in becoming the superintendent of Indiana State Police, and said that he said that that was quite scary to him. Again, Jamey Noel got an earful today. The courtroom got an earful today. The judge wanted to hear from all of those witnesses, and then we'll make a decision or decide whether or what he's going to sentence Jamey Noel to later today. As soon as that happens, we'll let you know on air and here live on TV. With photojournalist Ariana Shuka, I'm Stefan Johnson, WDRB News.